Kate here, Shas. Today we'll help people with long AI videos.
Hello everyone, welcome to our channel and let's see how we can create long AI videos. So for this, just simply open up ChatGPT and type up this prompt and hit enter. And we will be requiring a prompt for this, and we will get a prompt, a nice one. And after that, we can simply copy this prompt from here and we can open up another tool that we want, which is Whisk AI. Simply open up the first link and this is where it will take you. Not exactly over here, but the homepage of Whisk. Then just simply sign in using your Google account, and after that open up the tool, and right over here you can type that prompt that we just generated, and make sure that you select the landscape from here, and after that hit enter and wait for it to do its work. By the way, you can also generate the image using ChatGPT itself. Like if you change the prompt a little bit, then you can create images using ChatGPT as well. But the problem with ChatGPT is that you won't be getting the images in certain aspect ratio, though you can guide the ChatGPT by writing in the prompt itself the ratio of the image that you want. So let's check out the Whisk, and this is how the image on Whisk has been created. Now we can choose any one and download it. In order to download it, simply select this option of download over here and it will be downloaded quite easily to your device. You can do it on your mobile as well quite easily. After that, open up ChatGPT again, and over here just copy the earlier prompt and paste it in the dialog box, and after leaving some space you can write another prompt and giving some action to the same person. Like in our example, the Kate is an interviewer interviewing near Times Square in New York City, and we can give some more action or idea to ChatGPT in order to give us the prompt. So the prompt is: the same girl is interviewing a teenage girl near a store at Times Square, and just hit enter and we will get another prompt. We can just simply copy this prompt and open up Whisk again. This time just remove the earlier prompt and paste the newer one, and after that just simply click on this option of add images. Now in the subject we need to upload the earlier photo of the girl that we downloaded, this one. And also make sure that we have selected landscape from here, and after that we can just simply hit enter. And here Whisk will provide you some more pics of this interview that we can download. In case if it is not working, you can use Gemini as well in order to get a picture. So let's get back to Whisk and download one of the picture. Now this one seems better, so we will download this one. Now open up ChatGPT, and over here you need to upload both the pictures from the Whisk, and along with it you will need to write this prompt. Just simply hit enter. It will take a while and it will create scenes like this, and we will have to copy these codes and get them converted into the videos. So for this we will require flow, and you can simply search for flow and open up the very first link. After that, click on create flow and get into this account of flow by registering your account. And here ChatGPT has got us the codes for different scenes. Now we can simply open up flow, and over here make sure that you are on the videos and just simply change it to frames to video. After that, attach the picture that we just got from the Whisk, and make sure that you select landscape over here and then click on crop and save. While it uploads, simply get back to ChatGPT and copy this particular code and simply open up flow again. Here paste the code, and if the upload option is not working, make sure that you click on this option of switch and this will show up. So simply click on enter or just hit this option and wait for it to do its magic. And our video is ready.
Kate here, Shaz. Today we'll help people with long AI videos.
Now in the similar way, we can go back to ChatGPT, copy another prompt from here, and make sure that you are copying the prompt according to the image that you got. And after that, just simply add photo and click on landscape, then click on crop and save. And just paste the code and you would get another video. And then you can add these videos together in order to form a longer AI video. And this is how you can create longer AI videos. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.